Rough and trotting Shannon Motown, fast out of the gate, going for the lead. And going right with him is a Toast and Caviar. Getting away third, Wriggle Woman. Fourth is Pink Pistol. He out of the turn, Forward Progress fifth. Sixth on the outside, Win Dixie Done. Racing seventh, that's American Gal K. And treading the field, Mega Girl. As they race around the turn, going to the first quarter mark. Pink Pistol and Dave Pallone up on the outside to take the lead. Off the quarter in 28 and 2. Giving way second, a Toast and Caviar. Shannon Motown next, followed by Wriggle Woman. He entered the turn, Forward Progress. Sixth is Win Dixie Done. Seventh is American Gal K. And further back, Mega Girl. Straight alignment into the turn, going to the halfway point. Pink Pistol halfway home in 57, much faster than last week. Leads them by a length and 3/4. Racing second, a Toast and Caviar. Racing third, Shannon Motown. Fourth is Wriggle Woman. Fifth, Forward Progress. Sixth, Win Dixie Done. Down the backside, American Gal K. And further back, Mega Girl. Go on to the 3/4, Pink Pistol, now by 2.5. 3/4, 125 and 2. 28 and 2 backside. Make it 4. Pink Pistol with the lead. Here comes Shannon Motown on the move on the outside, followed by Wriggle Woman. Down the stretch they come as they please and by as many as they want. It's all Pink Pistol by 7. Wriggle Woman, Shannon Motown. Photo for show 155. Pink Pistol, Dave Pallone for Rob Harmon. A winner at 1 to 9.
Yeah, that's what you want to see out of a 1 to 9 shot, no doubt.